Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we talk about home decor, a little bit of lifestyle, and of course a lot of shop with me videos. So if you guys are interested in any of that kind of content, please consider subscribing. And also follow me over on Instagram. My name over there is MyJessicaJ, or you can click the link down below. Okay, I am getting over a cold, so I might sound a little nasally or whatnot, and I apologize for this video going up a little bit late. I was getting over a cold, like I said. It wasn't, you know what, but I mean, it was a beast. So just make sure you're taking care of yourselves. Get good sunlight, vitamin D, take your vitamins, good exercise, good sleep, because I mean, there's other things going around and trust me, you don't want this. But I'm feeling so much better. So in today's video, we are going to do a little bit of shopping. We're going to CB2, Crate&Barrel, and West Elm. We're going to check out their fall 2021 collections. As you guys know, we are moving into fall like tomorrow. It seems that way because all of these stores are like even moving into Halloween. But I wanted to see what they have in stores. I actually like seeing the pieces in person. I know they don't have a CB2 or Crate&Barrel or West Elm everywhere. So I'm gonna do the work for you guys. I'm gonna go in and see the pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna do a reaction style video. So I'm gonna be there with you guys as we're shopping together. So let's get started. Okay, first up is CB2. You guys know I love CB2, one of my favorite stores. I love going inside CB2 because they just display everything so nicely. It's just always a treat going in there. I love their accessories. I really mainly go to CB2 for their accessories. They have some good stuff and they're priced actually pretty well too. They have pieces from super affordable. So I really do encourage you guys to check them out for their accessories. I actually love that chair right there. I considered it. I was considering that one, but the wall of accessories I love. Every time I go inside CB2, it's like the first place I look. That's where they keep a lot of their accessories, and it's just eye candy. And the thing with CB2, if you guys see anything that you like, you can just go over to the website. Oh, that black vase, that's the new one right there. You can just go over to their website and just type in vase or decor or decorative item, and all of their pieces will come up very easily. It's not an overwhelming website. They have a good variety of items, but it's not overwhelming at all. I love that pillow. It's sheepskin. I love the color and it's really soft too. These are actually carbon, I think it's carbon black travertine. Isn't that interesting? Every time I see that light fixture, I love it. Okay, pause really quick. What I really love about CB2, they don't have a whole lot of dishware or entertainment items, but the stuff they have is so good and it's so interesting. Obviously, this is a candy dish, or you can use that for anything really, but you're not gonna see that anywhere else. Oh, I love that. If you want interesting pieces that a lot of stores aren't gonna carry, check out their glassware and entertainment pieces. They have really nice stuff. Love that decanter. Love it. You guys will see it in just a second. I don't know why I didn't show it up close, but they have velvet oven mittens. I need those. So luxe. I'm getting so much inspo for the holidays. I love it all. So these are vases, or you can use them as a candle holder, and they're gorgeous. I love the color. Okay, this table setting right here, ugh, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, the green with the gold and the black. I love that. We need throws. We're getting cooler weather soon. Hopefully soon. I'm tired of this hot weather. This is a bar cabinet. I actually really like it. It looks really orange on camera, but it's really nice in person. Okay, let's pause it for just a second. I absolutely love the pillow story here. I mean, of course it's my color palette, but I just love it. It's so interesting. You guys know I love like a very neutral. I love like the black and white, but the patterns, it just makes it something extra. You know what I mean? Like it just gives it what it needs. I will say, the pillow that you guys see here in the middle, I was actually considering that one. It is made of wool and it's not soft at all. So if you're considering that one, just keep that in mind, but it's a gorgeous pattern. I love that pillow a lot. The one with the triangles on it, that one's nice too. Like they're getting ready for fall. They have the pillows, they have the throw blankets. I don't think I've ever seen so many throw blankets at CB2. They're getting ready. Giving us that inspiration. These accent chairs are actually pretty comfortable. They're super deep too. Okay, CB2's Earth Tones and Spice collections. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm like into it because we're moving to fall and those are the colors I kind of want to decorate for fall, but I just love it. I really want to do sconces in my bathroom, but that's a project for another day. Another day. So this is their shelving for all their candlestick holders, votive holders, tea light holders. They have a lot to choose from. And this little guy, I was actually surprised to see it in person. It is actually really nice. I think the pictures online do it no justice. It's nice. Okay, now moving on to Crate&Barrel. I always look at this chair every time I go there, always. It's my theme in my backyard. The whole rattan and that shade of wood and ivory. And they're getting ready for fall. Look at this. I love this. Okay, I love that marble bowl. It was really heavy too. They have a lot of interesting vases and vessels at Crate&Barrel right now. Seems to be the theme. And yes, that is black Pampas. I saw it in a display online for a Halloween moment they had. So maybe that's why they have it out. I don't know. Their faux stuff is actually pretty nice. It's just, I don't know how much these were, but they're usually a little expensive. I love going to Crate&Barrel for their glassware. They have a lot of nice stuff there. All right, that's it, Crate&Barrel. Okay, you're moving on to West Elm now. West Elm is like your mid-century modern. You can find a lot of like bohemian style pieces, organic modern pieces. I think the brown vases are new. I don't remember seeing those before. I love that pillow. It's like the chunkiest boucle I've ever seen. I love it though. The amber color vases would be nice for fall too. Or if you have that color palette, those are nice. Okay, this is what I came into West Elm for. I went to see this in person. This is a cutting board and yeah, I love it. It's a black marble cutting board. I was thinking about displaying it. I'm just worried about it falling. And they have black marble vases, and they have some yep, those over there too. All right, I feel like that shopping trip went by so fast. Anyways, what did you guys think of the pieces that they had in the store? I was expecting a little bit more from Crate&Barrel. Crate&Barrel usually has the fun, festive type of stuff for the holidays, and I was surprised they didn't have that in yet. They do have it online, so I encourage you guys to look online if you're looking for more of like festive, like Halloween or Thanksgiving type stuff. But I'm here for the fall collection. I love it when these stores switch things up and they get new pieces in. I'm 100% here for it. I actually did pick up some pieces, but I'm gonna share those items in another video because I don't want this one to be too long, but I'm not gonna make you guys wait a whole week for that video. I'm actually gonna post it in a couple days, so look out for that video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below if there are any pieces that caught your eye, if there's pieces that you're gonna pick up, and are you gonna do a little fall shopping this year? And if so, where are you gonna do your fall shopping at? Let me know, I'm curious because I'm actually gonna check out Target and another store, which I'm gonna let that one be a surprise. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.